Welcome student into the chemistry laboratory. Now we are today doing the activity number 1, that is to prepare the phthalic anhydride. For that we require the apparatus, that is evaporating dish, this funnel, now pair of tongue, this wire gauze, tripod stand, and we also require the burner for that, and filter paper. Now first you have to pour these pores on that filter paper, so as it is the sublimation activity, so the vapors of the substances must pass through these pores, and then after cooling we obtain the phthalic anhydride from the phthalic acid. Now we have to take about 2 gram of the phthalic acid into the evaporating dish, and we have to for heating we have to put it on this wire gauze, and then you have to cover the porous filter paper on that evaporating dish, and then put the funnel on them, and then start to heating this. After heating 5 to 10, that is the minutes, and after cooling you have to get the needle shaped phthalic anhydride crystals. Now how we will do that? Let us see how we will do this heating. Yes. Now see here student, I put for heating this evaporating dish into which there is the phthalic acid into that evaporating dish, and then I put the porous filter paper, round filter paper, and on that there is the funnel and cotton plug is here, and I start the burn, that is for heating this. Now what is here actually, what is happen? Now see what is the molecular formula of the phthalic acid. Now there is the benzene ring, it is the dicarboxylic acid. So here COOH. Here is only dehydration, that is removal of water molecule. After heating there is cyclization. So cyclization is there, and we obtain the phthalic anhydride. First is the benzene ring, and 2 is there is the 5-membered ring, that is of this. How the water molecule is removed, see here. Now this is the phthalic anhydride and water molecule is removed. Now in this way the H from one carboxylic group and OH from the another carboxylic group, H2O get removed, and this CO and this oxygen is at the center, and this is the phthalic anhydride. Because water is removed from the phthalic acid, so it is converted into the phthalic anhydride from phthalic acid, and there is cyclization, because again one, that is the pentacyclic ring is formed, so this is called as the cyclization reaction also. Now see in this, first we take the 2 gram of the phthalic acid in a dry evaporating dish. After that we cover the dish with the filter paper having the number of small holes into that at the center. Then keep the inverted funnel on that and on that filter paper. Then close the nozzle with the cotton plug of the funnel and place the evaporating dish on the tripod stand and wire gauze as shown here. Now see, now the heating the china dish slowly on the blue flame and carefully on a low flame. After some time, 3 to 5 minutes, what happened? It sublimizes, starts sublimation there, and collect the inner side the phthalic anhydride vapors, which on removing that is the burner, it get cools, and we obtain the white colored needle shape, that is the crystal of phthalic anhydride, and we have to wait that that weight must be nearly about 1.2 gram to 1.8 gram will be there, and that is for your that is examiner will give you the full marks if you give the weight very accurately into that. After some time we will see which are the MCQs and which are the short answer question. Now you see here there is the starting of the sublimation is started there, and in the inner side of the funnel there are the vapors of phthalic anhydride started to collecting. After some time 3 to 5 minutes we taken out the evaporating dish, we cool that and we'll get the needle shaped crystal. You will see after 3 to 4 minutes. Now see this activity, we are performing this activity, that is activity number 1 to prepare the phthalic anhydride. Now what the theory says, that phthalic anhydride is the dicarboxylic acid which on heating loses water molecule and undergoes cyclization reaction to form the phthalic anhydride. Now this is the reaction, these are the apparatus, this is the figure and this is the procedure. Now let us see the MCQs. Let us see the MCQs. Now what is the first MCQs? Phthalic acid is dicarboxylic acid. Phthalic anhydride is obtained by the process known as dehydration because water molecule get removed. Now phthalic acid undergo that is dehydration during the preparation of phthalic anhydride. Now this is also the sublimation process. So C answer is also correct here of the question second MCQ, and for third that is the dehydration. Shape of the crystal we will see after some time, that is the needle shape, and formation of phthalic anhydride takes place by the cyclization reaction. Now why cotton plug is used in the process of sublimation? Due to cotton plug, the sublimated product do not evolve in the air as a gas and stay in the funnel, and so we use the cotton plug. Now write down the chemical equation for the preparation of acetic anhydride. 2 molecules of acetic acid after heating removes the water molecule and there is formation of acetic anhydride. What is the color and shape of the phthalic anhydride crystal? Color is white and shape is needle shaped crystals are formed. We will see after some time. Why slow heating is required to the content during the process of sublimation? As it is the sublimation reaction, so it requires slow heating. Because the vapors must be formed there, and after cooling there must we obtain the solid substance, that is the product phthalic anhydride. Why filter paper is used with small hole in the center during the preparation of phthalic anhydride? To pass the vapors or sublimated product phthalic anhydride, filter paper is used with the small holes at the center. Now let us see how the crystals are formed there. Now let us see student, the heating is now completed. I put this evaporating dish on this table with this peroptum. Now in the funnel also there are the needle shaped crystals will now are formed here. Now I took this filter paper. Now see, so many needle shaped crystals are formed of phthalic anhydride. See, these are the crystals, needle shaped crystals of phthalic anhydride. Very, that is the very tiny and very white colored and very beautiful crystals are formed. Then you should take any, that is the plain paper, and on that plain paper you collect these, that is the these crystals of the phthalic anhydride. You may take the glass rod for scratching that crystals, and you collect, and then that is you weigh on the balance. You can weigh it on the balance also. Now I take this. I am scratching these crystals and collect on this paper. You can collect slowly. You scratch on a plain paper. Now you should take all these crystal for weighing, because your weight of this thallic anhydride accurately you can weight them. So many crystals are formed, they are here, and in evaporating dish also there are the crystals are formed. Now this is very, that is hot evaporating dish here, so I show you by holding it into the by the pair of tongue. Now see, into that also there are the tiny needle shaped crystals are there. You have to scratch all these crystals and then weigh it on the balance. Now take all these crystals, very delicate crystals, very beautifully they are formed. All you have to scratch from this and then go to the balance by taking it into the on the paper. You have to collect that and then go to the balance room to weight these delicate white colored needle shaped crystals of thallic anhydride. Now this is the first our activity. This is very simple to prepare the thallic anhydride. Now if you like the video, you share and subscribe and tell other students for to subscribe it also. Thank you.